Hello everybody. This is Ambit House, which is located in one of the posh area of Mumbai, which is Lower Parel. Ambit has its own chess club, which has been running for the last 2 years. As Ambit is also one of the sponsor of Vidit Gujarati, and Vidit gave a surprise visit to the Ambit Chess Club, Mumbai.
कितने राउंड प्रेशर में इसलिए प्रेशर में स्टार्टिंग everybody knows who you are. Everybody knows who he is. Everybody knows.
He's Maharashtrian, but his surname is Gujarati.
Alternate दोनों.
Is there anybody who wants to ask anything to Vivek? Yeah, please.
So what would you recommend for
I
my
think you should
repeat the question also so other people can.
It's very hard to say before I see the game, but I think
I don't play online, I play offline.
अच्छा. I think the best way is to solve a lot of tactics, but different kind of tactics. Like particularly where you are weak. Jैसे I think it can be even positional tactics if you struggle with that. And I think time management is also important.
Top player like Magnus.
I mean now they are like same what to say. Like I don't try to give them too much respect क्योंकि then they will overpower you.
Yeah, but you might have some fear from inside, right?
नहीं अभी इतनी बार खेल लिया this was maybe the first time you play you're a little bit odd but when we play so regularly it doesn't feel like something extraordinary.
Like in our level, if you play a tournament, rated tournament, and you know, like last 2 rounds are left, you have to only win, and the last 2 rounds are against top seeds. What mentality should you have?
I think not to give too much respect. Maybe focusing more on I mean not in a bad way but when you think that other person is great then you're already losing half the battle, right? So it makes sense to focus on your strengths and have that belief कि I can play well, like just create chances. The opponent will make a mistake, they're human, so as long as you create chances you have a fight. I think Kramnik had said this against Kasparov when there was this world championship match. Everybody said Kasparov is greatest, like he has not lost anything, maybe you have like 5% chances, and he said good, I have 5% chances, like that's not zero. So when you look at the bright side I think and focus on your strength, it helps your confidence as well.
Deal with the losses, like generally after that, what's your mentality?
I think she can
Ask
answer
me
this.
about it.
I don't deal with my losses. When I lose a game, everybody around me is in very tense mode. कि मैं बहुत ही solve करूँगा.
Yeah.
So
It's
I have not found
difficult.
out how to deal.
How do you generally bounce back for the next round? If it's important.
Honestly, I haven't been able to do that. But
I think there's no other option because he has a round immediately next day. So of course he's in a very bad mood. He will not be able to sleep at night peacefully. But then there's no other option than to come back because if you keep carrying it on, then the other games also don't go as well. So
sometimes changing the environment makes a difference. कि just going for a walk or watching something. क्योंकि हारने के बाद बार वही position याद आता है दिमाग में कि मैंने ये क्यों नहीं खेला, and like you go in this loop of criticizing yourself. So
I think we also watch something which is fun at night to just like kind of
get off and have a fresh start.
Yeah.
But ये इसका आंसर मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला कि क्यों
Can you explain your experience of EWC?
EWS EWC. अरे भाई उसका
because
लॉस से वो याद आ गया.
many of us like face the same issue. Okay, tournament खराब गया.
हाँ.
How do we focus in the next one now? Like sometimes we couldn't forget the last tournament.
उसमें एक था कि I was winning the first set.
Yes.
And उसके बाद I blundered and I lost that set. And I think she and Vedika, my sisters,
Yeah.
they were there. And they were like, you know, जो हो गया, you are at least playing well, look at the positives. But for me, मेरा बार दिमाग उधर ही जा रहा था. It's like when you don't have a teeth, your tongue goes to that place only. Just how we are wired. But I was trying to look at the bright side कि I was outplaying my opponent. तो थोड़ा constructive criticism ले रहा था तो. But yeah. EWC का तो बहुत ही पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस था. अदरवाइज आई वुड बी इन पेरिस अभी. बट या happens, I think, part of the game.
I had a doubt in this. Let's say it's like a do or die situation, right? And you are now at the top level, of course. And I want to know, like in your 20s, let's say, at that time, what was the do or die situation mentality? And now, like, what's the transition? Because I think at that time you were maybe, let's say, 2000, 2300. So that time a bit different mentality, and now there is a different one.
I think the biggest thing was when I was like close to 16, 18, when I had to decide should I play chess or should I do something else. And that was not easy because I had just become a grandmaster, but there was no certainty in the chess world. तब ऐसा लग रहा था. But I think I went with my gut to pursue the passion of chess. And I think whenever I've taken risks, most of the time it has been rewarded well. But जब लेते तब लगता है कि यार, but maybe that's a good feeling. You're doing something right. When you're doing something risky, the rewards can be exponential. So yeah.
Like we are Indians, हम लोगों को गाने बहुत पसंद है. आपको भी होंगे डेफिनेटली. कभी कभी कोई गाना ऐसा माइंड में घुस जाता है कि पूरा हफ्ता 10 दिन हम वही गुनगुनाते रहते हैं. तो कभी आपके साथ हुआ है कि आप इंटेंस गेम खेल रहे हो और कोई ऐसा कीड़ा वाला गाना बजते रहता है, फिर आप क्या करते हो?
एक्चुअली एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि मैं टूर्नामेंट खेल रहा था बैंगलोर में. एंड 2 टूर्नामेंट थे. पहला वाला अच्छा नहीं गया था बिकॉज आई वाज ओवर थिंकिंग. तो मैंने सेकेंड टूर्नामेंट जानबूझ के एक गाना गा रहा था कि मेरा माइंड कोई रिजल्ट पे ना जाए. आई एम जस्ट प्लेइंग इन दैट जोन. तो समटाइम्स इट इवन हेल्प्स क्यों ये. बट मैं इतने गाने सुनता नहीं हूँ. ऐसा कुछ कैची हुआ नहीं. एंड ऑटोमेटिक जब चेस बोर्ड आता है तो वी गो इन टू द जोन कि अभी गेम टाइम है. दैट्स व्हाई आई मेडिटेट बिफोर द गेम. दैट हेल्प्स मी लाइक क्लिक कि अभी इट्स गेम टाइम.
चल 3, 2, 1. All the best to everyone.
Your followers, stage is yours.
There's this one quote, not quote, but a saying of my guru. He says, "Live, love, laugh,